All right, y'all. I got one more for you. It's called "Look Back," and it's by the Yin Yang Twins, and it's on the official work CD. But it's called "Look Back." If I can get this in there, you can see it good enough. Or "Look Back at It." I'm sorry. It's called "Look Back at It." So here we go. Yeah, I'm doing the paper thing. Like I said, that's the best way y'all could tell what's doing, what mine is doing, anyways. Because I ain't got too much flex at all on nothing in here. So here we go. But that's it. This has been your boy Business. All right, peace.